Welcome to another tutorial by EelDev. Today we will be taking a look at setting up the SteamCore Pro plugin using Unreal Engine 5. Let's begin by installing the plugin using the Epic launcher for your desired Unreal Engine version. This might take a while depending on your configuration. In this tutorial, we will create a new sample project to start with, but you can apply the same settings to an existing project you're working on. After the project has finished loading, we need to ensure that the plugin is enabled and ready to use. This can be configured in the plugin settings. Now that the plugin is enabled, we can start configuring it. Go to the plugin documentation website to review the available settings. Close the project while we make these changes. Locate your project's default engine.ini file and open it with a text editor. This file is used by the plugin to read its settings. Copy and paste the recommended settings from the documentation website. It's also important to remove any existing Steam definitions from your default engine.ini file. Now that we've configured the plugin, we can load the project again to make sure it's working properly. Make sure that you have the Steam client running and that you are logged in. If everything is set up correctly, we should now be able to launch the game and initialize Steam. This is done by launching the game in a standalone configuration. You can verify that Steam has initialized by looking for the pop-up in the lower right corner of the screen. You can also press Shift plus Tab on your keyboard to open the Steam overlay. This concludes the basic plugin installation and configuration. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel. If you need product support, have questions, or would like to suggest new tutorials, feel free to join our Discord server. The link is in the video description.